you can do a lot of choices on a fact basis, but at the end of the day, it's a human-to-human interface that matters most for success. So I would say the feedback and that part of critical relationship we every time had when there was an issue on either side. Sometimes, even if we discovered a bug at some point, which of course almost never happened, but 1 or 2 times, there was this kind of recognition and collaborative approach we found. So I would say the number one advantage beside the system is probably the human interface we found and the mutual understanding we could build in making this work. The second, more operative one is that the system allows only that level of flexibility which you really need, and at the same time forces the organization to stay into, let's say, pretty much standard approach to the business processes. So I would say that is more the factual side, but I would say the other one matters even more because, as Mario Andreotti said, if you think you have everything under control, you're not fast enough. So I'd rather be on the left lane and be fast, but then you need a partner. When something happens, you can instantly solve it.